Okay, you're back. Let me finish. Malachi 5 through 7. Well, I'll read the rest, but you know I'm going to stop. It's marked. I marked this years ago. It's been a long time since I really got in here digging. Yes, I be digging, and I be writing. I'm going to read you my poem next, after I read these next verses. Listen. And I will come near to you people for the judgment, and I will become a speedy witness against the sorcerer, against the adulterers. Man, I got to take care of some business. Okay, it just got me. Okay, Curtis Maurice Lewis. Can you sign the paper? Yes, I'm dropping names like a snitch. I can't help it. God told me to do it. He's telling y'all to do this. Check it out. Well, I think this is my mission. So, enjoy my docu-filmentary. There you go. I got that word down right. Docu-filmentary. Here we go. 5. Malachi 5. 3:5. Get it right. And I will come near to you people for the judgment, and I will become a speedy witness against the sorcerers, and against adulterers, and against those swearing falsely, against those acting fraudulently with the wages of wage workers, with the widow, with the fatherless boy, Jerome, those turning away the alien resident. Let the Mexicans and everybody else come, because they just trying to find something better. Hello? You people want to go there for vacation. Try getting off in the fucking barrio. Oh my God. Forgive me. I've been working on my swearing. I used to swear like a sailor, even worse. It was ridiculous. Forgive me. Okay. Here we go. It says, I will be with, the wage workers, with the widow, with the fatherless boy, those turning away the alien resident, while they have not feared me. Jehovah of armies has said, for I am Jehovah, I have not changed. You are sons of Jacob, and you have not come to your finish. From the days of your forefathers, you have turned aside from my regulations and have not kept them. Return to me, and I will return to you, Jehovah of armies says. And you have said, in what shall we return? With earthling man, it says, will earthling man rob God? Keeps trying. But you are robbing me. And you have said, in what way have we robbed you? In the 10th parts and in the contributions. Charity people. Y'all got some problems up in there. All you charities. I have not yet seen one charity to prove to be correct. On the scales, y'all. And the dishonest ones get crumpled by Jehovah, so get ready. With the curse, you are cursing me. With the curse, you are cursing me, and you are robbing the nation in its entirety. Okay, you famous people, do you realize what this just said? This just said that you are robbing the nation in its entirety. Kanye West, Jay-Z, Beyonce, Donald Trump, Warren Buffett, all you Apple people, all you, you folks, all you know who you are. Come on now. Guess what? Robert Downey Jr. Who else has got a bunch of big old pockets? Mel Gibson. I'm sure you do good, and I'm sure you give to charity, but you know what? If all you famous people put in $1 million to $3 million, do you realize $3 million each of you famous people? Forrest Whitaker, Denzel Washington, okay? I'm sure Cicely Tyson would even help out. If y'all do it and give to the deficit, put it in, get China back their money so they stop trying to kill our babies. Get with it, people.